If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
Random dance play? Throwback! Throwback! Is that his actual keys on there? Did he just come from his car? Bruh. Girls, 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 you love me. Bruh. Wait, you got me awoke. Not Yu-Gi-Oh! Like smiling. Oh, they still know it? They still know it? No, Bam Bam! Oh, one of my favorite songs. No! There we go. Oh, so good! No! He does he not know? It's been so long. I don't know either. I don't know either. I shouldn't be talking. Okay, Mark. Wait, is somebody missing? Wait, somebody's missing. It's Jin Young, maybe? Is it? Love this. Love this. Love this song. This is my all-time favorite GOT7 song. Holy crap. Jin Young wasn't there. He was filming. Ah, I see. Understandable. Bro. Bro, GOT7 got some hitters though. Oh my god. Of course he would know that. Of course he would know that. Oh. No, they have to be playing the music video, no? They had the way he looked into the side. Did they? Or unless he's like, that's how he concentrates. I don't know. Oh, I don't even remember the choreo for this. Wow. Isn't that more of a recent ones? Young J had to reload the choreo. No, Mark. Hey. Oh, they helped him. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Aw, I do miss them, bro. The hell? I missed them though. That was nice. That's a nice like little throwback to like all their hits and stuff. Not all of them. They have a lot more hits though. But GOT7's back, y'all. Promote. That's my roommate. If you can hear her. Anyways.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.